In this introduction, we'll look at the different parts of SummaryPro to familiarize you with what each bit does. Each SummaryPro plan on a page is produced by a pair of files, the Excel engine and the Visio display. The other vital component, of course, is the source plan, normally a single plan, but the data can be gathered from a number of project plans. In this example, we use a Microsoft project file. With all plans, it is necessary to assign reference numbers from 1 to 200 for each of the items that you want to display in the summary. Note that when driving multiple reports from the same plan, you will need different sets of numbers. As this is Microsoft Project, we use a customized view which applies a filter to only show the items with the relevant reference number and displays the required information for each row. You will learn about setting up a new Microsoft Project view in a future video. However, it's a very simple operation. You'll have a specific view for each report to be produced from the plan. In this example, we have 8 views set up for different reports. This plan is in your initial download to help familiarize yourself with views and following the tutorials. The next component to look at is the SummaryPro engine. This is a number of tabs, all of which do specific tasks. Working from the left, we have standard settings. Here you define the formatting styles to be applied to bars and swim lanes. You set the dates to be included in the report and how the timescales look, including any timescale compressions to the left or right. You also set the size of the plan on the page, margins, and how the swim lanes are laid out. The rest of the page allows you to format all the other elements and decide what to show in terms of rags, baselines, progress, etc. The next sheet is bar details. In here you decide which references will actually display, where on the page they will appear, and what they'll look like. You also define the swim lanes, where they appear and what colour they'll be. Dependency details allows you to define which dependencies will be displayed and what they will link together. The project import sheet is where you paste your detailed plan data into. And as with the plan, you also copied dependency data into the dependencies import sheet. The last component is the Visio display. The Excel engine defines what things will look like and where they appear on the page. However, the Visio display actually produces the plan on the page summary. This button automates the update of the summary with a simple double click. Visio also allows you to add comments. SummaryPro also provides a range of other shapes you can use to provide emphasis to either specific dates or items in the summary. So that was a quick tour of SummaryPro and how you can quickly and easily produce accurate, attractive and customized plan on a page summaries from your detailed plans. Further tutorials will show you how to use SummaryPro in more detail. However, this was a quick whistle-stop tour of the components of SummaryPro.